Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So this video is gonna be about my BMW E30, which needs a service because I don't know when was the last time the car has been serviced. So I got the oil filter here, got the fuel filter, got the air filter. By the way, got a rocker cover gasket as well because that needs changing, and oil. Yeah, let's get cracking and let's get this car serviced.
Guys, check this out.
This is the best bit, what I love about this BMW, the hood. I mean, just check this out. Honestly, beautiful, right? Looking at the engine, if you look at it, there's a bit of oil leak that's coming out from this rocker cover gasket. So we're gonna be taking the whole cover out and we will be replacing the gasket with a new one. So that's gonna solve the problem with the oil leak from the rocker cover gasket. Right. And there's a bit of steering fluid leak from somewhere here, I think. I don't know what's causing it, but I would just leave that for a time being. So first thing first, we're gonna start with oil service. This is my guy. Of course, he's gonna help me out. So I would say he's a German car specialist. This is my first ever time looking at the car underneath. Oh wow, it looks clean. That looks clean. What do you think, bro? Underneath?
Yeah, it's okay.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Good. This car is overdue for an oil change. I don't even know when was the last time the car was serviced. If you guys do drive, do make sure to do your regular oil change. I mean, it's so important for your engine. So important. Just look at it. See, this is what I mean, guys. It's so important to take care of your car. I mean, just look at the filter. Oh my, that's ridiculous. Wow. So here's a new oil filter. Check this out. Taking it out of the box so you can see the difference. Done. Alright, let's fire this thing up. Oh, it's alive. It does. So now moving on to the air filter. This one's pretty easy to do. Just few clips. So that's the old air filter, right? Oh, that's dirty. Put that in. Just make sure it fits in. That's it. So that's done. Now moving on to fuel filter. Out. My boy, he joins in. Full service is done.
Full service.
Yep. So oil change is done, air filter is done, fuel filter is done. But these cars are so easy to work with. I mean, just look at it. It's just so simple. So simple. That's the best thing about old cars. Now moving into rocker cover gasket.
Your favorite bit?
Yeah, my favorite bit. This should be simple enough. cleaning the oil off here using air. Done, of course, thanks to Mr. Raju, bro, thank you so much. Yeah, and of course Shakes for letting me record in his garage. Car sounds sweet. I'm not speaking to that. I'm happy, I'm proper happy. Right, so the things that we have done with the car so far, we have changed the oil filter. We have also changed the air filter, we have changed the fuel filter, and the main thing, we changed the rocker cover gasket. That should stop any oil leak whatsoever. Hopefully this video is helpful to you guys, and if it was, just do make sure to press the like. If you want to ask anything, leave any comments below. Until then, I see you for next time. Oil specialist. It's alright, you know, for its age. Yeah, for its age, like, it's sick. What?
Quite clean.
It is, yeah. I mean, for a 30 years old car, the underbody is pretty good. Pretty solid, I would say.